Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're venturing onto my channel for the first time today. Surprise! I bet you thought you'd seen the last of me, but I actually have my December Glossybox in front of me, so I have to film a quick unboxing. Pretty much all of my decorations behind me are gone. I've got my brushes that still need to be cleaned, and I've got like my Christmas pillow. But yeah, I think we have reached the full level of comfortability in front of you guys, because here I am literally in a pajama onesie with, yes, that's right, Grumpy Cat all over it. Super soft, super comfy, and RIP Grumpy Cat. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into this December Glossybox. Alright, so if you've been watching my channel, you know I subscribed to Glossybox back in August because they had a really good deal where you paid like only $39 for 3 months worth of subscription because they had their like 1 year or 2 year anniversary. I don't know, it was like their birthday, so they had a good deal. And that August box was really good. But then like, you know, come September and October, they were like, meh. And then I went to go cancel it, but I actually canceled my subscription the day after you were supposed to. So I got billed for the full price, which I forget how much it is. Like I can link it down below if you were interested in. But Glossybox is like kind of meh, and plus it comes over from like the UK, so it takes a little bit longer to get here. But the December box came in, and it's in a cute little box. Like, look at how cute this is. It's all sparkly and glitter and pink, and it says best time of the year. So like I said, none of these boxes have really been that great since the August box, so let's just go ahead and see what's in here. This will probably be like a really quick video. So in here they have a little bit of a booklet explaining everything that's inside. And inside is so cute. It's all like wrapped up like a bow. All right, let's hop right in. All right, looks like we've got some Mind Tan Body Skin Coffee Scrub. It's like this cute little mini version. I still have a bunch of the Frank Body Coffee Scrub that I still need to use up, which I got in like a FabFitFun box, I think. But this one's from a different brand. So this is from Mind Tan. It's a deluxe mini. So this is 30 grams for $15. If you want the full size, it's 200 grams for $19.95, which is not that much more. This is an exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. So I think it's just like a regular one. I wonder how this one would compare with like the other one. I don't mind the coffee scrub, but like one, it makes my bathtub a mess. I get like the coffee grounds everywhere. It's just... 2, it is very exfoliating. It is a very nice exfoliator. Maybe a little bit too harsh if you have super sensitive skin, but it doesn't bother me too much. I just have to be careful in like certain sensitive areas like the ladies. Sometimes I notice I have like micro scratches and micro abrasions from it, so you just gotta be careful. 3, I can't tell if it leaves like a moisturizing property afterwards or if it's just like a slime. I don't really know. It's definitely an experience. So I still have like a third, maybe a fourth of the bag left, and I've had it forever. So I really don't need any more. And this one's just like a little mini, so I'm just gonna save this for a future giveaway in the new year. All right, next thing in here is this little thing from Nude Sticks. Ooh, I have like, I think 1 lip product from them. So let's see, this is a full-size product. This seems like really small. So this is a gel color lip and cheek balm. It's in the shade Posh. So it's rich in color, vitamin E and plant oils. Dual action ultra moisturizing balm provides a lovely, lightweight, velvety, smooth pigment for your lips and your cheeks. I don't think I'm going to put this on my cheeks, but definitely my lips. This is full size for $26 for this little thing. Like, this is so small. Let's go ahead and like swatch it. It's like a lip balm, so I don't know if there's much pigment. I mean, there's a little bit of pigment, definitely more pigment than like normal lip balms. Let's go ahead and put this on my lips because my lips are feeling a little dry and lackluster. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. They're kind of disgusting. It kind of looks like it's got a little bit of like a pink metallic kind of sheen to my lips. It feels like moisturizing, but like not as moisturizing as like a regular like chapstick or lip balm. I don't really know how moisturizing that is, but yeah, apparently that's the full size. For $26, Nude Sticks is an expensive brand. I don't know why. All right, let's see what else is in here. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is the Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. It's obviously like a little deluxe mini, but I've been watching Hyram a lot on YouTube because I just want to be knowledgeable in skincare and trying to figure out like what works for me and to see if there's anything that can like reduce this redness. It's obviously like, it actually looks really good right now. But I'm just like trying to experiment, make sure I'm getting the hydration and moisture, just learn the difference between the two. And just trying to figure out like what ingredients actually help my skin, which ones cause me to break out, which ones reduce my redness, and which ones like make it worse. Like I think that ampoule thing, like ampoule, whatever it's called, made it worse, even though it's supposed to help with sensitive skin and redness, so I don't really know. But I did finish off some skincare as well as some makeup items, so like come the new year, I will definitely be doing a video on like empties from 2020 and like what I'm going to be repurchasing or not. But back to this, I know that Hyram raves about this over and over and over again. It's so cute. I mean, it's really good to try out like trial size skincare because this little thing is worth $18. If you want the full size, it's $58. So she's expensive. So might as well try out like this small little sample size before you go and spend $58 on the large size to realize like it doesn't work for your skin. Ooh, don't want to waste any of it. Can't really like tell if it has a scent or anything, but we're just gonna stick that right back on there. So it's formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. That's me. It has plant extracts and peptide complex, which make it long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. So is it hydration or is it moisturizing? Because I was looking at the ingredients of some of my moisturizers and they're actually hydrating, not moisturizers. So it's 100% vegan ingredients, no animal testing, made in California, cold press extracts, and for all skin types. It doesn't even look like it's in my language. Oh, there it is. Found it. All right, so water, sunflower oil, there's another extract, holy basil extract. Not only is it basil, it's holy basil. So this mushroom extract, which I found that like the snow mushroom extract like hydrates my skin like no tomorrow. It's got aloe leaf juice in here, glycerol laurate, squalene. It's got some squalene in here. So oils and like squalene are supposed to be like the more moisturizing ones, but it also has like some hydrating factors in here. So I am super excited to try this out. Like definitely this is going to be my new daytime moisturizer probably because I'm loving the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. Love it. That just like made my whole box right there. I'm so excited. All right, next is something from, I want to say Christopher Robin, but it looks like it just says Christoph without the R at the end. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. And it's this cute little bottle right here. Again, another deluxe mini. So this is worth $8.48 and the full size is $53. So again, it's a good thing to try it out if you like it, and then you can go spend the $53 if you want. So it's just a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. Oh, it's for your scalp. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like for your body or something. Yeah, restore balance to your scalp with this iconic scrub, suitable for just about every type of hair and texture. Amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. I don't really have any scalp scrubs, so whoa. I don't even know what that smells like. I just know it's strong. So apply in wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. I am totally gonna try this out because I don't have any scalp scrubs, and sometimes like I get buildup of product in my hair and it flakes off and it looks like dandruff, but it's not, but it's still gross. The one thing for scrubs like this, I'm just worried that it's gonna be stuck in my roots or like on my scalp, and I'm always gonna feel like those little micro beads. So I'm a little worried about that, but I'm definitely gonna give this a try. All right, and then the last thing, looks like we've got a couple of masks. Ooh, we have a lavender foot mask. So this is from CBD-FX. It's a foot mask. You can either have gotten lavender or peppermint. Cool. So this is going to contain premium quality broad spectrum hemp extract, vegan friendly foot mask as a perfect solution for restoring moisture and relaxation. So leave it on for 20 minutes to clean feet before bed. This is worth $9.99 and this is obviously the full size. So I'm definitely going to save this because, okay, TMI, gross if you don't like feet thing, and like skip ahead like 30 seconds or a minute, but I had a couple of plantar warts on my feet and I'm still in the process of removing them with salicylic acid. It's not like the stuff for your face, it's like concentrated, and my foot is like a war zone down there, but the warts are almost gone. So once they're finally all gone and my skin has healed up again, I'm definitely going to be trying this out. Give some moisture back to my skin, some loving care. All right, and then we've got another mask. This one looks like an eye mask. It looks like it's K-Beauty. It's a Korean top trend, which K-Beauty is like an amazing thing right now, especially with skincare. Like apparently like everything they make is just, I don't know if you can hear in the background, but my cat is playing with a bottle cap. She goes like apeshit over bottle caps. I don't know why. All right, anywho, so this is from K Glow. This is obviously full size, worth $6, and it's a smoothing coconut biocellulose eye mask. So it's like a little like robber's mask, an eye mask for your eyes. So it's an intensive all-around eye treatment, includes naturally fermented coconut juice to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. Cool. I will definitely try this because, I mean, hello, do we see these bags in dark circles? They're real. Okay, and that was everything in this box. Obviously, it was super short, super quick. Let's just go ahead and add it up and see how much it was worth. Okay, so I had to look it up. The full price for 3 months, like prepay, is $58.50, so you save around $4.50 for 3 months, and this month's box was worth $83.47. So I mean, this box alone is worth 3 months worth, but that's just for one box. And each box is a combination of 5 to 6, like either full size and deluxe minis, usually a couple full size, and the rest deluxe minis. And each box is supposed to be a minimum of $80, so we surpassed that by $3.47. But honestly, like, I don't know, I still think, I don't know, the August box is pretty good. But I think I really like this box. I think the only thing I'm gonna pass along is gonna be this coffee scrub. But like eye mask, yeah, I'll use that. Foot mask, definitely. Nude sticks, I don't know how this is worth $26. It's literally a slightly tinted lip balm, but cool, glad to have it. We also have this hair scrub, which I'm definitely interested to try out. But I mean, this alone right here, this little mini thing just like makes this whole box worth it. I'm so excited to try this. I just really hope it works, but also I don't want it to work because then I have to pay $58 for the full size. Okay guys, so that was everything for today's box. I'm going to try to do some vlogs, but I don't know if they're going to be up in 2020, maybe in 2021. I don't know how lazy I am or how busy I am with the holidays and packing and moving. But I don't really have a vlogging camera. I just have my Canon, so I'm gonna have to like awkwardly like hold this out like, hello, here I am. That is everything for today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Happy holidays, and if you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you to my Feline family. Bye! That was not English.